victory is also the people's efforts. आमच्या लोकांनी कार्यकर्ते आमचे लोक पुरवरकार दोन अपक्ष तिसऱ्या फाटी उभा करणार रावला. It was their decision that they get into BJP party. We have gone with that. They have reposed the faith. जे आम्ही परफॉर्मन्स केला फाटले 10 वर्सां मंत्री म्हणून जावं नाल्यार आमदार म्हणून जावं आणि आता फुडली वाटचाल पळयता आसतना the people of Goa and the people of Porvorim have kept faith in the BJP, have kept faith in me, and we have ensured that जे promises केला आजपर्यंत जे परफॉर्म करून दाखयला ताजो कॉल आज लोकांनी भरघोश मतांनी a margin which I'm really feeling that I should जितले आमी बोरवरकारांक थँक्यू म्हणटा आमच्या लोकांक तितले कमी आसतले. मुळांत ऋणी आसाच हांव. इट ओनली गिव्स अस मोर स्ट्रेंथ टू वर्क मोर फॉर आवर पीपल एंड एन्श्योर दॅट द इश्यूज वॉट वी हॅव स्पोकन अबाउट गोंयचे आसूं ना परवरचे आसूं फुडें व्हरपाक आज बरी स्पिडीन व्हरपाची आज एक संदी मेळ्ळ्या आनी ती व्हरपाची आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो.
Will Rohan be the same person who has been fighting for the cause of Goa? It may be in opposition. आता तो ruling आला.
Rohan came into politics only to make a change. Rohan didn't come with into politics for anything else. लास्ट 10-12 वर्सां जे कार्य परवरच्या जाल्यार गोंयच्या खातीर केलां ते गोंयच्या लोकांनी पळयलां. ताचे खातीर हो कौल दिल्लो आसा आमच्या परवरच्या लोकांनी. फुडें वता आसतना ह्याच विश्वासान फुडें वता. आवाज जावं आमचे कितें विशय जावं गोंयचे विशय जावं परवरकारांचे विशय जावं विल बी प्रायोरिटी फॉर मी which always have been and which always will be. I take this opportunity to thank all my people who have stood by me in all good and bad times and ensure that they give us this particular record margin as far as Porvorim is concerned. As we enter our third term, we call it a hat-trick. So as BJP third वता आसतना 2 टर्म आणि तांची हॅट्रिक जाता आमच्या पार्टीची आणि म्हजी हॅट्रिक जाता. We are getting into this. It is only because of the people of Porvorim.
Your party जो गुंजाइश है, it doesn't affect you, I think so.
I think you have to ask the party high command or them. I'm not the right person to.
And now that as you were saying, hat-trick, third thing that you're talking about, what is your vision for whether it is real politics?
We have come into the party so that we are able to grow the party and ensure that politically we are able to grow and deliver to what Goa expects. So for Goa, we have always been there as a voice. Today it's an opportunity for us to deliver for Goa and for our constituency Porvorim, which for last 10 years we have fought and got things done. I expect these 5 years to be a smooth ride for expectations of our people of Porvorim to be fulfilled.
काँग्रेसीक ह्या वाटी वातावरण बरें दिसतालें पण दे हॅव नॉट
तुका आतां कळटलें काँग्रेस कित्याक ना तसून राविल्ली पळय खंय तरी कित्याक ती कळ्ळी ती भायल्या भायर वचपाक सोदताली. Figures speaking now. There is no arrogance, but very clearly people of Goa have reposed faith in us, and that is why we are today getting the mandate to form the government.
सर परवरीत प्रतिस्पर्धी नाही असं म्हणता येईल का?
डेमोक्रेसीमध्ये सर्व ऑपोजिशन पाहिजे. ऑपोजिशन